Yeah. I want to vibe. We're vibing. I want. It was for 3 days. Came to my house, you know what I'm saying? I like to work with people, you know what I'm saying? Nota is there, Kwesta is there, you know what I'm saying? We're vibing. So we did 3 songs. We did NGud, we did Makwa with Okemalum Cool Kid, and then we did this one. It's a drum mix, drum trap with Busiso. 3 songs. Sharp. NGud it's a big song. I produced it. You know what I'm saying? So Flopo get one. When someone does something a sharp you have to acknowledge. You have to show you appreciate him. Understand? Like you have to show you after NGud, Kwesta was Kwesta. You know, he was making shows, was okay at 5 p.m. Nali sharp. But after NGud, things changed. Skyrock. Right? Fine. Clean, no stress. NGud actually really, I don't know how many platinums and whatever. Lyric is the best album. Nota will tell you it's the best album or whatever. Or right? So after you make all those millions, why don't you come back to me? It's like, man, wouldn't you say ghost to man? 20 tower something to appreciate. Understand? Right? To appreciate or no, man. If I'm producing anything good, it changed my life. No, it changed Nota's life. It changed Leroy's life. It changed a lot of people. One song can really change your life. Change everyone's life.